I promise on my honor to be faithful and loyal to Ghana, my motherland. I pledge myself to the service of Ghana with all my strength and with all my heart. I promise to hold in high esteem our heritage won for us through the blood and toil of our fathers. And I pledge myself in all things to uphold and defend the good name of Ghana. So help me God. And you so yeah, more journey more kwaba. Eddie Abba Jumedian so a boiling issues brand so free sabri. A copy say non conum ebebo and you know etna. Yeah, the Asada de Bema Boa for putting this together. Yira Udi Ahenkan Kwame Yaboa, a executive producer, Jumpa Hene Kofi Mensa, a lead producer, Kwejo Bafo, Kobe K, and a Billy Man. Ofremi Obo Ba Ofori Amanfo. And you mean so ya the Asada de Kwamo Tiasifu Yankopono. You're sorry, I no pay ya the Ahoshen and Sa. Yes, sir. Ontutu ya na mun sidia kron na on fire nkonsan fire mbra ampa mpaibo tiefo no tie ye oye ne sa pepepe e de mayen anwumre yi onwunu adwo baabi awokọ ye bia wa bedru unya medru ye nso aka akra ye wogidie se onyankopon do bekwa kodu fie mu asomdwem yen ye dru dada no nso ne apensuo bi egu ye ho apaduane bi adia yen tena se kakra ohun na yemfa ye fidie ne nto ha ni yenti fiti anopa no bepem saa brei ensem ahodo de ekutwi bo breman de ahinta odoma nkoma ne kurotwi amansa bo bisem yemfa ho amane bonsa mfa mawa eno no yato ne din se trending stories and I say trending issues ye besisi subium e de amaw afa ye wi a ye ba citizen address eso enkomo no ne ehu hia no ne ye de amaw na fe ye de no de asi na yama ekwan na nkomone ne yede atopono so ankasa eye issues on board and I say topics for discussions no na ya ba no so ho no de ye ne yenuanom NDC ene MPP4 ene ya na ye di sa adwuma no nti ene nso so ye sa pepepe ne ye be ye no ye ma wo kwan e ma wo de wadwen kire de ba sanse nyansa eni obako fotim inti yama okwan ana do wadwen kire de afa 0533 898915 0533 898915 wo de adwen kire no de befa normal SMS ana say WhatsApp and which you see sign streaming live e wo Facebook e Ahenkan 93.3 FM Ahenkan 93.3 FM yes streaming no simultaneously inti while yes streaming e wo Facebook no oko YouTube nso so a koso ho no mo sa pepepe into betumi adjoin yen live streams no share with us your sentiment to opinion bring your voice on ebre ne so e bekenkan ama wiase nyina etimi ehunu se de ye wo dwen fa nsem a ekoso ho enti anwumre nso afi na de fidi na to ara mo aye mo adwo ne ya mo akwa aba e de abedwumadi ne so It's yen semra no yebe corner fe ye de trending issues no de amount. If it's an upon be sabre and common be brain no na akoso de di kaditi ye sign esusu biom. Na if it's an upon one de na enkomo a edapono so aye die no na ye baako. Ni nyina efa LGBTQI ehon semsem. Enra enoma imra shebedwa fie kwa asetena. Bill no I go through all the processes into first reading, second reading, consideration stage no krania na e ba akope. But in this particular law no assign equal second consideration stage. Emma some part of the law no and as a bill no omo ye amendment kakra. Finally parliament adopted Emma you put question majority agitu mu se emra no ebetimi aye adwuma nti as we speak ade a omo de omo mfrɛ no anti LGBTQ said the double ntin no omo frɛ no proper human sexual rights and family values ɛno ne din ɛda so nti nra mmarahyɛ bedwe fie mpanimfoɔ agitu mu sɛ saa bill no omo ahwem bibia yɛ okay omo wo so de ama ɔmampanyini ɔno nso nhwɛ akyiri na afei ɔmfa ne signature ensi so why ne saa ɛnti sisia no aduru sɛ ɔmampanyin ɛnso ɛbɛbam na afei sɛ ɔgye atum sɛ wɔnye ntum yɛhunu sɛ ne ɛno so asɛm ebesi akɔ afei one story ɛno nso trendy yɛwɔ mpanimfoɔ bi ɔmo nso aka ɔmo ho abɔ mu a ɔmo asɔre ɛde atia saa bill yi ɛne ɔmo dɔɔso paa Professor Gajepo ɛna Professor Manu mpanimfoɔ ne dɔɔso paa ɔmo nyinaa sɔre ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ bill no ɔmo ɛbɛwɔ so ɛde akɔ Supreme Court ɔmo mpanin gye to mu a ɔmo de bɛkɔ Supreme Court ama Supreme Court na hwɛ akɔ ahye saa mmara no because ɔmo hunu ne sɛ etietia nkrɔfoɔ fa ahodie so nti ɔmo asɔre ankomodie no bebree paa LGBT ho ensɛmsɛm twegu paa ɛne ɛde ama wo na ɛne yɛ biribi sɛ ɔman mmara hyɛ bɛyɛ fie kɔ asetena after sɛ ɔmampani Akufo-Addo de ne Sona 2024 kɔɔyɛ no ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo di ho ano baaba yɛ ɔmo debate Sona no nti ene ɔmo kɔ asetena Sona debate ne kɔ so a fe nkane ɛwɔ hɔ no mo foin dum so na du parliament yɛse an ayɛho sɛm ane wɔ mu ni sɛ ɔmo wɔ elevators ɛwɔ hɔ as at the time ɔmo dum kane no na yɛse nipa ne bi wɔ elevator nim ɔmo hyɛ mu a bɛ sima kakra a sɛ nyame amamu a nka ebia nka yante asɛmpa na ɛno na nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ bɔ pini second deputy clerk of na finally ɔmba bɛ agree yes okay ɔmate nti ɔmɛkɔ akɔhwɛ ɔmo nkrataa mu na saa payment na owura agye tɔn ɛkyɛ sɛ ɔmo ayɛ dada no ɔmo akɔ rectify saa mishaps na ɛbaeɛ no nyinaa nti parliament nso so ɛdeɛ ɛno no yɛfiri hɔ no mo a ɛnra ɛna yɛma wonya ne nteɛ sɛ kane mampani John Dramani Mahama wa present ne running mate ɛde ama party ne mpanimfoɔ a party ne mpanimfoɔ nso so ayɛ ne sɛ ɔmo bɛkɔ so asetena on the 7th of March ɔmo kɔkɔtena sɛ kɔhwehwɛ mu wie no ɔmo gye tum afei ɔmo de onipa korɔ no edin de bɛba bɛto abɔnten nanso nsɛntwerɛfoɔ yɛwurawura mu ahunu onipa a yɛwura John Dramani Mahama ɛbɔ ne din wansesa yɛ maame Professor Jane Nana Opoku Agyeman wansesa no ɛyɛ ɔno a ɛne ɔde no ɛkorɔ nti nyame yɛ adom a on the 7th if all things being equal bibia nsesa because position deɛ si yɛbɔ odin kora sɛ de position bi de ma wa last minute ni bibia timi si but as we speak now yɛ kasa sisi yɛ bibia ansesa deɛ a Professor Jane Nana Opoku Agyeman ɔno ɛna kane mampani John Dramani Mahama asan abɔ ne din sɛ ɔmra mɛyɛ n'akyi dɔmfoɔ na ɔne no nkɔ ɛsa anaasɛ ɛko 2024 nti ɛno ho asɛm etwagu ɛna ɛde ama ne bɔ no de ama wo ɛna no na video bi trendy na video ni mu no ɛyɛ 2M Express bus bi ɛna nam enkrani Kumase kwantempɔn ne so na car ne kɔ no yehun sɛ 2M Express for no ɔmo use CCTV cameras enti ɔmo car ne wom a ɔmo de monitor ɔmo movement ne sɛ ne yɛsitie wohwɛ camera ne mu na video no a circulate no uhun sɛ there was this particular Nigerian guy we are not saying say onim ne ekoso ne ho bi but ne oyeye no obroni beka say eye weird kakra say akronfo person be attack car ewom na wani ade a wo ye court say ne ye koso no kra mfa ne ho kra enti o ye call no a kwam eno mu se car bi gina ho no mo fortunately driver no yes smart eno sha say or call reverse na Nigeria ni no a o ye call akopem bra sa ade no e sha ase akronfo ne sha say o mutututuo no o pie free car nim so o si fomu so ye den yo na tia o motia no ono anka se wo hu say yes Ghana fu ani abere adwen papa mo ko de
kire mpo Nyankopon adawre ma na so
nyame adome so me ho ye pa
de nyame ase
enti na wotwe akwasan ba beto ye biom
sure
boiling issues so ye de rade ase
of course
na wotwe enchere ba batenye nipa nyina na kobeto
ndie ti ye beto ana
odi mu ase da de amerade
yeah
sa pepepe okay adwumre citizen address odo mo fine
yes things is ya de Ghana no say de no meko no ajanya bibi kakra bi na udia na po ba bia da no adwere ho abompa ya siro twede ampo Nyankopon say je ono ankurakura mu kakra esanse oya wa adwun say odi wani beto no ma bisu a emfa say de no ma aye na aye no but I think say nana ba no hye yebobi say kenke
dokuno
yes
dokuno ni mudi ya
dokuno no say no mde abura ha ba aye no
nkra dokuno yes
okay na o ka kire say e toba ko say 1 cedi
oh na say no de politics
oh yes politics me ka be oh me ka be si asem so
oh okay
san say ayi omo ye dokuno no de nkra bi ama me say me me kan kire no nti am be say me busa no na me hunu mu say sa na o kan na
oh okay
na me de nkra na pi so
nti nkra
so ka kire say kenke ni ba ko ye 1 cedi
yeah
okay nti onno ba I think say ya to na boarding kra na betima ye be 50 pesos
yes I dey say mu nto ne sa
mbacho isi aye nto ne sa
mu nto dokuno 50 pesos
mbacho da bi
sa
enne no unkra 5 cedis e ntimi di kenke ni bi
oh samum
oh yes ntimi di bi
5 cedis
mbacho ai
say bia wo person o to kese edi
we so to kese edi say
because I know say ukra 3 cedis ukra benya dokuno edi
obenya ba tu nya de be mi
sa
no kra na 3 cedi no kra no de hyemu no kontoma ba akokra na tin hye obumu a onyamu mienu ana utiri na yeyi
ai fa na me to dokuno 3 cedis na so pa o ai aha kruye well ai e kire hai manso
oh okay 3 cedi unya bi toy
me to dokuno 3 cedis o manso
okay na 2 cedi
oh 2 cedis ese me ya me hu say na papa panimu ti say me ko gina dokuno hakoto
2 cedi oh okay okay si won say nkura wum
akula ye ne be che woto 3 cedi ana
na
tetesha na no ana so udi bi no mu nyina ma me abom
oh I see
so I say
I see
hwe ma me ka asem nkyerɛw ba bia wi ase na duru no enema boa ye den
okay
enema mu aye den enti sese wo yiri ye aduane a efie wo yiri ye aduane a bomodin a se ye makwaduane a o ma makwani no so
okay
so I say enti nkwala ni di kakra no mu twi nsuo gu so
ade oni masema be kan ade makwa ba be wura fisie
so I say twi makonu ma no nya ya nsira wa nse wo makonu ba ku be ho ya friend nsira wa
yeah ena emiswa na na yeah
ma ano nya ya
oh okay
enti no akola no odi fufu no obe no nsuo gu so obe da sisi a
nge na fu na hye
so ati ase
oh okay eni edokonbofo ne hye sisi a no enche oto dokono a na se wanto mako anto nkruma masa ajo dokono a
nkruma de already omoton
dada tisi amako no omse yanga nchiro se ebre ko na nimu na nche freeze able ya akọ no oba na me to dokono yeyi dokono ma wie na agina hwe na aka me mako wan hwe ya pawo ni so
omo beton
ojo dokono tutu so ko tisi
amako mako no age se woto
nti announcement omo se me kan kire mu no
mako ya yi
yes mako no
ena omo sen ton
omo beton
na se dokro mu ntwini yie eya na didamu aba
se ejabo ye twini yie se ye ntwini yie yes ye ton eto pa o ba no de ka twumako na watwu de ofi o se
ye de asi kirebe
o ya no de enye yasem
sa
ye de enye yasem de pesa mo te ase ne se mako ni sisi ya beton aka nkuruma no ho nti si atodo kono na mutira nye ye abura ba na haba ne de afam ho no ya no kra mutira nye be yi aton amamo say no so yato sim say yato
and omunya aduane ne ton ankasa
we say
omunya aton ankasa
enya aton say business no bi aye
na wo beton makodi ame aka ayi ofre ne say dokono
no
ye de asichiri bedi
okay ene am nto asichiri
me say ya me mako hu hia me metimi ebubu adi ne say
ene ya wonu am ni problem
unya no no wanya wonchina mbubu boso a no okro
enti wonu am nya any problem
wanu mu nsuo
yes mo am pe mako no enti isi am ukọ se okoto kenke na to wie na gina no maka me mako na wanfi wa atiase
okay
edi ka bi kamo eno ye nkran
enya hafo
yes de so a afiri baabi na akọ baabi tinkrafo de ba ne de hafo bisum
ba a hafo de omo nyesa
wamo
omo nyesa
na de wo Ghana ifa fo no maduane boarding
achim danfo omo nyesa
Messi de wo Ghana ifa na nyoma boarding ya ni ba
per Ghana Statistical Service omo kuntabu ni de Eastern region
okay nti ada na be
Ghana ha ope baabi a nyoma boarding a Eastern region
nti ada na
Eastern region kra achim dan na age captain sandban no
of course nti si abo ba bo mo samana ne be ya so mo de omo nyesa
so mo ye Christopher
eno mo ne oma boarding
mpatwan
the whole Ghana eno mo say ya Christopher
omo suo nyame papa
opposite side na wo kana na say
omo suo nyame omo mpe LGBT ho
na ompe LGBTQ+ enje se utiri momle
so omo say no e bo man se ekuro e musu ade
atirimode be na chance wo aduane wo ho na ekom de unia
so wu ani asie o
ena me je atirimode be na chance
I see
say o muti no ndo metimi aye
nkrafo omo meton dokono no
yes
nkra omo de ma okay
nti
ye don ase
ya de ama wo mu this ya de ekono no and obo I don't know say wetin monitor CD ne so kakra
na I'm 13 the last time I check me nim say swat there
okay I think say now I 12.3 so
into feet 13
yes
oh yeah the radiase
but enye
I don't know
kwana nim
oh we be form
da ben because me na can believe in this enkaja ye nya first tranche so de ande wie ye nya second wie yi de kan now no dollar no e was CD na ti manya ahoden a wodi brim na ma sisi akrankan ni su chini no but as adebechi adebesa bia no na konanim
ba mu say I want say my rain su fi say no yen external debt nyina na put it on hold nti nya de a ye service yen external debt nti CD no na hoɔden be kosoro kakra but abotre ntoboase ofiti prekope Paul sia emugya tu
obonya sa hanom ye nyusu sa ba ni sisi sa bre ade antini yakwaje bosia na yakwaje se yebehwe se CD na hoɔden beba but yes still we have the money ye nya ni nyina de but ye nya sikanya ye nya first nya sikena at least e was timi ye bibi kakrama CD ni gina
ebegina
because CD ni nyina ye mai
ebegina munya botre ma won ebegina
we shouldn't forget say MPP for nkeka mo ho they shouldn't forget say we are in the election year and now yanom for so ne omo hye ase no they should want them
ehun hia wo kra chen wo
yes ehun hia chen wo mo but no ma bi wo no mo bi twa so nim se na chia chia wo se so ye ka bi ma ni hu se de wo ye no e bi a chia
okay
so wa hu de mekan and obo enioma ECG a hye ase ekoso no MPP shouldn't forget say ade ba kwa Ghana fo twa kura no ene sa ade no yo machi wade kese o MPP fo na aka na nado dan kwa akufo ade no ani so na ase ono akan sa eye dum so ono agina simpie ni apaso kan ye
na so o makan o mo so mo de nye dum so mo de nye siesie
obo ye den
dum siesie
dum de o siesie den
o siesie ni o ma
obo ya ma mo nya sa o mo ye sa eya na ya ya rehwesem
adade o mo aka
adan na wakoto de ne boje nyanya nkyere de ne obi pa ba de akobo no
ene se bi o mo na o mo pe no o mo so kan o ma no tumu na o mo me ye frɛ no dum so o mo de o mo so mo ntia ase me ye frɛ no dum so o mo de nye dum siesie
to mo de no kwa na nka ne nye sa dum siesie we no disco de no kenya kura u dum siesie obo we understand fine wo pese wo serve in the better way my yantiasie chamai wachina yebedum nkania no yebese ye yansiesie bi se de be ya yes fabra ye boni nim o mi yantiasie se dum siesie
ye have for see experience bi sa na
o se sen and how many times on dum light wa and brother doesn't you dum light wa odan
eye ne
how many times
me point me call baby kakra nti me nim
and of course you do you be 3 kura no be 4 ana nya nya tia na ye figire kwaje kajo ana omega se meboa
oh sir
enti obo na make say your problem na aba say 1 week kura na yesi yenam yemfa dumusia now my Ghana for tia ho ase obi abeboa no ho so ahu now de asiesie wo ye osiesie wi a waso de amai ade ba ko a me wura mfi o mapanyi kofo apen so yes ade wi me wo on ma boss radio so enkro we ye bedum light ye bedum blese ye be so blese ni etum no we don't have problem Ghana ye dia ye communication wo de kama ye ntia ho ase se de be ya ma ade bi na mabra sa abre we akwawe we so mabra ma titi modem ato me fridge bi ni me TV bi ni ade no won san se ne mame because we say yes now say ne mame a obo so tro me no be ma ni han wan wi ananka adwumbone kura mo bitirimu se obeya bibia tia so wan wi abato obeduru ne de apane
se ni ntino ma sha ase ntem no ahu esiesie nuoma nti
omo sha asiesie nya no obo mo sha asie dum siesie no anya no anya ne ana de bia dum siesie media me problem say we are in the election time
se tio first na ne enim say na ye wop ayi power generation problem but now kind of down blame NDC for say enya about power generation e sika sem ni sika de ekwakwo fa nioma de aba bitu ya kan niema but ene yente sa nkomo no apart from IPPC fu ya ye de won kai omu ani etua kakra omu ani etua kakra no nti don't you think say machine no na was CCA
na make sure say obo whether it is a machine whether it's a financial whatever it is no Ghana what we know ni say eni yankasa
okay
talk to us
okay
ni yenye ya ho ntiase se we di waka kire yen enti madam ho me so si wanhu ti adum na uni problem
okay what can say o mate
wo monti no muntie se nya sa dia de o mo ko no mo na be so mo akonfo
Charles amoafo atwetwe ni mu wate nti o beka kire ni
eni on kan chom no nya hu adwuma enya sa asembe to won sa de we de entam kese yempe
okay
o mo na share ye boss o ma solve problem ni nyina de ye dede ti o mo yes ni nya o yes na emwa na ne parliament dia ka ya koso
nyenya me na fa fia
nka
nipa ka elevator mu wuye
obo ECG for so duru ba bi omunya ntobase o mu so mu hia sika ye o made but na sen kwa mo ne ye nam so no odwene ho a wonte ase hwe mo mutimi ka kire se ti na meka no dubek mo ne nkasa o
waye den
o mo ne nkasa o ha wa ekoso ho no no o mecheche no mamu because obo he odi obi light bay odi ato ho nyam nam de to ho no mu why your estimated bill dey abremi se mi ntua estimated ni as wa tena se na wa calculate say misusu say any past last month otua say tie bia this month obe wisu nkanye na kodu say timi de komana na tua ana odi ba ye na matua no ana odi next month de ba ye hu say o da bi sa de wususu ye no enya sa wusu ba ne buru tibi bia ka ho eno ye mefom so
enya mefom so
etimi betua na meja bia wo ya na sa de kukuku ba ya na obetwam na ukọ obodu ba bia ha adwene ena hwe de ka ba beto mo o system na mo de aba na app bibi etimi si wo so ebia nse wo mo so makotua bia en reflect wo mo yisui mu system no sui eti en problem
okay
etu mo nya to base na mo ne yankasa
mate
na ye no mo sum ye so ye som wo mo
sa
si wo hu kan ye na ye dia akoso mo no ye dia
all right
enyo aman bia dia ye nim se
ma me na simpanifo atena se dada
wo dia jebele ma wo na
se na wa charge no
wa hwa na to afa ho
wati nyame adom ebeto aso china
mate kasa
aso china ewo ma che no eso all right nti abusuafo ye da se bebre sima no aduanan miensa e na abo apa no pa enwumre no nso eho na boiling issues ni dwumadie ni din adwempa hini kofi mensa na nanu CCC ya no citizen address ena odi ani bre atwempanimfo adwensi niam ba komienu enso ye toa nkomobo no so ewa ha ye ne empanimfo mienu ena eba bedi nkomo na anwumre yi ewo NDC afamu no ena yakwa konu opening kese no ankasa se de naba constituency secretary edema NDC achimodan eye owura ansa anoba owufia ha nwumre yi saa nso na wokọ NPP afamu a owura Charles Amoafo ɔyɛ NPP communication team member ɔno nso so ɛwɔ fie ha no mu anwummerɛ yi ɛnsɛm a ɛda pono so adwendwen ho no yɛ akɛseɛ mmienu ɛbere bɛ mu a yɛde bi bɛka ho baako ɛyɛ parliament as we speak ɛyɛ adeɛ a deɛ yɛ nyinaa yɛfrɛ no sɛ anti-LGBTQI bill no ɔmo deɛ ɔmo ayɛ ɔmo afa mu deɛ ɔmo awɔ so aka sɛ bɛkɔduru ɔmampanin hɔ na sɛ ɔmampanin ɛde ne nsa bi san asio so ɔmfa ne nsa nsan asio no yɛbɛhu baabi a susu ade brɔde ho no bɛfa ɛno no yɛ baako ebiom ɛna no na ɔmampanin Akufo-Addo kɔ present state of the nation address anwummerɛ yɛpɛ sɛ yɛhu sɛ what is the true state of the nation ɛno ɛna ɔmampanin kɔ present yɛ no anaa sɛdeɛ na no na John the Baptist ɔsoma n'asuafoɔ so ɔmo nkɔ Yesu Kristo ho nkɔ bisa ne sɛ ɔno ne agye nkwa no anaa foforo bi wɔ baabi a yɛhwɛ n'anim foforo bi wɔ baabi anaa anwummerɛ yi mpanimfoɔ bɛboa yɛn ama yɛhu nti yɛnsɛm brɛ yɛbɛkɔ ɔmo hɔ no afei yɛde nkɔmɔ twetwe no de ahyehyɛ so wadwen kyerɛ no wobɛtumi de afa 0533 898915 0533 898915 ɛhɔ ɛna wode adwenkyerɛ no de bɛfa Facebook ɛna YouTube nso so yɛ streaming live wɔ hɔ nti wobɛtumi ajoin yɛn with your comment or sentiment ma wiase nyinaa nte wo nka ɛwɔ dwumadie no so mpanimfoɔ mama madwo
yɛnwia
na mame hyɛ aseɛ mfiri amoafo hɔ no mo amoafo mpo mbɔkɔdeɛ
nyame adaro ma meti apo
yɛde awurade ase paa yɛte amoafo no yɛsɛ ɛsɛ amoafo pharmacy anaa because yɛtaa keka amoafo pharmacy anaa wobusuani no si yɛsi yɛkyirikyiri mu a
bedere deɛ obi ate a yɛ normal ɔmo taa bisa me saa but ɔnyɛ me busuani din deɛ ɛne obi deɛ tumi hyia
saa constituency bɔkɔ MPP
nyame adom emodwo bɔkɔ bɔne bi anim
nti yɛsi amo prepare sɛ on the 8th of March Honorable Alexander Kwesi Akwane vetting no mokɔ akɔtaa n'akyi na yɛ kama
bɛda wase na makyea atiefoɔ nyinaa ne titiri ɛne me maame gender tia kranchoa asɛne former assembly woman sɛ otie me a mekyea na nwumre na afei makyea MPP executives mpanifoɔ ɛwɔ da nyinaa ne titiri ne MP Honorable Alexander Kwesi Akwa mekyea no na afei makyea atiefoɔ nyinaa ɔmo enclave asɛne across man so dan patemu nyina so mo tie me a mekyia obia na afei bekyia the late MC and the wife Madam Eva yeah anyway mekyia no baabi obia mekyia no nyame hira no oye good person
Madam Eva do good
na afei so we dey nkyia we to ye Mr. Chiga Hector the wife yes okay. The wife, Madam Florence, also metia na nyumri.
Madam Florence Chiga.
Yes.
Okay.
Chiano. Vet any day, minim say nyame adom, nyame ayewi, bibia ansesa. Fi say answer na president bebo ni di no nim di obetumi aye. In fact, unim so we well versed health sector no. Considering hospitals are established across the country, you know, when in track record as far as the health sector is concerned, it no body di. Fi say obey adwuma pa. Na unim, me fa we ntwam immediately I born di no or the suggestion be by. Say ke be yanka Ghana, no say nurses no now you 3-year groups are I backlog omofia yem posti wom. Nanka or no suggest say kebedu baby ni yanhwe kwa be fa so anke betumi amasa nurses na yetumi train bi na sebe ebi wo ho na yem postu wo no ko betumi akọ amanne na ko makọ ye adwuma nanka aban so anyom so mfa so na wonim say recently suggestion of the buy no GM so akọ kasa e wo baby na akọ say minim say o te the honorable kan no so ko kan o baby o but no de ye de besi hanom
na ni honorable kan na yasempa.
Oh yes.
If you say what is will be can be and once how was when you courage.
Yes, na wo say was manage de na so nim say say obi na di kan obi ko kan bia eno so nka
okay yate da se pa ma yemra yen topics no eso ma mini kan konkoma chairman so akwa abansa secretary
Yeah.
Ye share che.
Papa.
Share che pa. And then the one can pie. Be a drink or some with them home.
Yeah.
Na etumi boa. Atem dan constituency NDC.
Yeah.
Mujina mona so.
Papa. Now before that, the match here, my party penny chairman Mumuni and yeah, parliamentary candidate. You know Abema Asante.
Jones
Asante. Now match here party for NDC party for they can yeah communication officer say ujinemu fireman. Na masenchi TFO
communication officer agbesi a friend fireman.
There be say Agbesi or a deputy communication. But
there be Agbesi
communication and
yes. Fire and any deputy.
Yes,
yeah.
but they say no fire acted in for Agbesi for this time because was quite kakra.
Oh, okay.
It's down for some time.
Oh, okay.
They say I make a say niha.
Oh, okay.
Na siaka baby programs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Na ne America ne say ye gina na so pa but there be ase na ehuna hene pankasa ntia na I say I did na me nua be ma oka bibi efa exporting of health workers na be say me train say during the rule of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. That is why our health sector no many people be ekwo because then the plan is say you bring more people so that we can export them. And then Nana Amontia say you training the pani bebre infani do moko. Then he told them say until creating more hospitals. After better creating more hospitals, and that's how students will be exported. I was part of it because Mekai say Sabre na me child community health. Now one class, even it go to a time where your employer students in the Bema admit you to the extent near Kwanopani area. Near Kwanopani area, you can ask Mr. Becker, who is the principal now. Or mobile pen on bay quota for them. It's now sure that when we say na edubri na necessary those who come here. But during their time, no quota ninety, they have reduced them drastically. And that fear for this is the reason why Mahama was doing that. But you mom can say muntimenya sadie.
But so say oba obi use a quota system nefi ho.
Yes. And then or say a honorable Kwesi Akwane kan so no come say Mahama plan that
for exports no.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
It's his plan already. Say
okay.
Students there's a Cuba etima na influx of doctors and also Cuba. Now to me export doctors bagana. So I don't know so you say we export to be akoma other countries no here nurses. That was his plan.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah that's in this nchichiri mu no. Afi
menu we dem patra quick rebata we dem
na we rebata we
there be o can say bia
prelims no so no rebata. Oh. Okay,
we nim say 2016 answer na omampani dada Mahama befre kunya so no na 4-year groups of nurses every school etifie and imposed to them. Pekete Ministry of Health sa it is a nanko was sa ebia knowledge be say or percent or exporting nurses minua wan kada yanti wo mamuda obi improve source be say bia former president ka so or intention be so percent or exporting nurses at the quadrant.
Okay, yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Because of saying you're part of your topics, need to be your best stressing more.
I remember the point. It's me too. Me no. Yeah, me chire we see say I was part of the system.
You bet me the no about be other matters.
Other matter. Then let's go back.
Enti Mr. Momi emra yen issues no. So me shall say the free charge or ho no more. Finally, bill we need a private members bill. On the core parliament Jen initial year 2021 and I go through all the processes here and run a yan into say a feed year parliament I who adwuma wi a omo de omo agye atum aka omampani e de oti say na aba no uso mu say
oh okay you mean me that me do asibiem sa se we abeto no no to me no a welcoming news. Na on say if be LGBTQ na ye kan ho asem no ye de ya se say ye de akọ parliament agiatum se say twen say omampani
be assent
yes so be sign na abeye memra e wo Ghana no ye de no ye friend human sexual right and then family
proper family values yeah
bill on say wo hwe ye before the titru Ghana all the ethnic groups in Ghana and the religious groups ya wanum na ya mamre mu no any values no yen ntum sesebe ye oba ne oba bema ne bema obi ehun ne ho say oye oba okay yenfa me pese me kyeremu na sebe atiefo etia say prelims kakra so obi on ma ye wo na ohwe na bosuo na ne ho se oye bema so de ne so ne ho se oba ha ti ko abrochima ma o so me kura na nka me ba wi ase no nke nyame mame aba oba na wakwa akosesa akwa surgery na ya ye no oba
ya yi na free bema sum e de ne komma adiem
pepe oba bi so on ma ye be wo no na ne sede na bosuo ne tie no hu na asenka o ya se bema o so omi so nka me ya ba bema na no so akwa surgery ebi won ma to the extent say abrofo no kra de sabi obi tumi ware aboa bacho tie me
yes
sa na ma we nyina na abrofo ne pese omo pushi na omo de ba yen mamu hanom na no na ye ya sori atia se ye ntumi soso sa na ma ne so na ye de call parliament na parliament aja tum se ya hihye omo hihye mra no yie na omo pass omo nyina aja atum ne edom ye parliamentarians no majority ni minority nyina adi atum se emra wo yemfa nya adwuma e Ghana no ese di aka ne se omampani so de ne sa be hyase na aba be emra na be emra in fact enema bebre wom in fact ebi kra che se wo a wo kra ya maame ne papa kra mpo na se wa o ma wa wo no no mutifie na se wa wani tua se sa de we kra no mo ye kra mpo se o yi o ma so wan hwe kra mpo na akwa edi na batin se wono wani da ho no wahwe se omo ye sa na ma wi wo ye fie wura krampo enema bi won ma wo soso so a okrampo ho betumi aden akadwem eye enema bebre na eden ewum eti no mi momu de misusu se eye na hebinum so asori atia omo so se omo so anyi tu fi se etitia ebinum fa ahodie so ebinum adwen kire ne se onipa bi ati wi ase na se be wabro fie du nwotwe ono anoto na aduane di sebe ono ana obo ne bra ne ope na obeden obeye nti no minua ni nyina achi no eye se
okay
parliament atumi age atum na afi ye twa omampani se finally ono so be assent bill na afi ababe emra
but ebinom so argument no has been said yes fine ye nyina said ye omo kan no proper family values na was see protect enti say ye nyina ye de yadwen akoba bi ba ko say was see protect sa ekwan no a ade na ye nyina nso mfa yadwen ko ba bi ba ko say ye pese ye protect because corruption so itia ye mra na but one of the major of friend is saying idea wo society ni mu a etete yen why we not ye nyina ye sorry against so
no crampo na nanka ebinom kire say ka sabio first things first ye nyina minya adwetwe ne nyina ye kire in fact corruption edi o manya esen sebe oba ne bema crampo na ne sane man corruption minya say yetumi eyi ketahihye ne proyefri o man mu a ebi anke koye nim bebre sebe ye tu kwan kwa brochire ekope adwuma ye edisika ba fie besisi adan abrofo ye ekomo onum omo ye replay ye tenam bi omo ye cars ye tobi ye tenam ayase tenam ye ho toye no sa ne ma we wo honum over 100 years a man me ma ware sorry a man ma ware me man me ma ware nanso no enya ade a aha omo man bebre so matumi asi corruption ano honum no untumi puntu oho enti no obi anam ne baabi enti menu asa de wo ka no yes ne kwan so no say bedu baabi na say yetumi sore waka say emfa party obi wo ho na ye nyina ebetumi aka ho bom ni aka se daabi corruption na fede eye emfa ho ne party asabi owo so ebribi a ebedu say say ye nsi school adan ya anya loro kwan ana kwan ya anya niye dipa kakra bi na sa corruption ya o benefit sika ne ko dipa kakra bi botom onom do mo de ji o mani na dodo ne yeden ebre enti ade a ha dwen wo man mu pa nti se de wo ka no emre bi bedu a se de nka dom nyina do manu atum asori atia na sa de yetumi de ayemra no emre bi bedu ese se corruption so se de wo ka no
nyina san sorry
nyina
kasa
corruption no the meka de atwa to ne say ya na edom na domani bu politicians nko a minwa ya de atiti corruption cut across and every fiber of the society everywhere corruption here then even asɔre dɛm koraa na ɛnɛ sikasɛm koraa mpo no obiara ma n'ani yɛ dɛn ɛda hɔ wodi agorɔ obi bɛtumi awie sika wɔ hɔnom abatoɔ koraa mpo a yɛyi mpanimfoɔ koraa wɔ asɔre dɛm sɛbe nneɛma bi tumi kɔ so
ɛtumi si
eti no
tumi kɔ so wɔ hɔ
exactly eti ɛbiribi school of law ɔmo entrance exams ɔmo twɛ koraa mpo no ne yɛsɛ apɔtumi ayɛ dɛn apie mu wɔ hɔ questions ɛtumi aliki. I mean, this is disheartening. Oshe corruption index no sector by sector. To me, ready say we ne dika we ne toss. You need to apefe say ejuma ekuo we. Omo ye corrupt. Omo je ademodie. Ye to me nka ho hwe. Eti no sebe omo stores. Omo markets. Obi to me kota de 10 cities no dey budget 30 cities and 40 cities. Ye hu ne say eno de ɛyɛ korɔ na ɔbɔ ɛyɛ bɔne yɛdeɛ nyinaa yɛni akɔ akɔbu ɛyɛ politician obi wɔn ma sɛ bi trɔtrɔ koraa yɛfo ofi akra na ɔba na sɛ nneɛma kakraa bi koraa wɔde hyɛ boot koraa no sika ɛbɛgye ɔmo fi
ɔbɛgye wo te sɛ passenger wafa
I'm telling you because on say transport sector no ɛyɛ solely by road it akɔsɛ ɔmo enjoy a kind of monopoly it wouldn't say wotwu mu tan ɔbɛyɛ dɛ
ɔbɛfa sɛ ɔde adeɛ ne ba nti wɔ sɛ wotua
ti ahokyerɛ bebrebe a yɛfa mu nyinaa no gyina enipa ɛyɛ corrupt enipa ɛpɛ sika enipa pɛ sɛ ɔyɛ yie mmeretiawa bi mu ti ne nua ahokyerɛ no koraa na sɛ sɛ bi ɔno ɔdi yie a ɔpɛ
nti nea woka nyinaa no nso so no ɛyɛ against proper family values
exactly ne nyinaa sɛ yɛ nyinaa sɛ be yɛ nyamesomfo yɛ religious na ɛyɛ a na yɛwerɛ fie ho sɛ ɛno deɛ ɛyɛ bɔne nipa bi nsusu sɛ bi ɛyɛ bɔne
sɛ Ghana ha nom no yɛsɛ bɔne nyinaa yɛ adwaman yɛnya ka bɔne a yɛsɛ wɔ adwaman
so anaasɛ bi obi a yɛhu sɛ wei deɛ wakɔto obi bɔtɔm korɔ no ana ɔkɔbu obi pon ani akɔfa ne nneɛma ɛno na yɛde yɛne bu na mmom deɛ ɔde nyansa kwan exploit obi ɔwia obi ɔsisi obi no yɛhu ne sɛ ɛyɛ bɔne menua eti no
ma bisa me final question afei menkɔ secretary hɔ no mo would one be right to say per dia wo keka ye nyina no Ghana mpanimfoɔ no asɛ ya na ye pursue enema ehuhia yen ɛno ne ya na asɛ ye di ya adwen ne ye vim energy ne nyina de kɔso ne ehuhia no wɔ hɔ a wɔn nyɛ
partly me no ye adwen wɔ kwan bi so afa bi so no me no nya adwen to the extent say menua saa Human Sexual Rights and Family Value Bill ya pass LGBTQ aye nim say menua say eye mpanifo ye o madwen say omo otwe o mani na omo nhwe na omo pass sa bill we ya and so can be different thing altogether na say base na krampo krofo kan and na president will stand on the LGBTQ no any day bibia pressure nso kan wadwen ma yehu ti say ba say and penfo so ebia for now this is not our priority enya de a oman prempre hia yen intini yen hwe ne yen tu sabi ohia ase yen tu corruption ase yen hwe say ye manyina betumi anya school akọ yen hwe say benya hospitals a ye befitting a obi abetumi obi yare a obetumi anya ba bia akọ sa ne ho yare na ne ho atọ no na ebia akire yahwe we a kani panso de ombeka intino said they can there are other areas I say to me na yehu to me to ye ba we so equally important because I ade a ehia timamfo nyina
okay me da say mesan ba ho no mu bi ma me nko seke hoy na yentie wo no nso so secretary
eja
yesan mu akwa ba bi mu
nua
yentie we
sania aye proper family values bill ya ye dia be so me de manage ho pa na sania parliamentarians ni nyina ede buapa esum atworo na akase na opanyin omanpanyin pa ode na nsabisi so no ade a me madwen na eya abomentanta isan so omanpanyin ye bisa no ho nsem pen bebre a wantime anyia no se you me peneso na me peneso e na se ama madwen entanta se ese Ghana fu nyina ye bompai se omanpanyin be pene a parliament aye no because we in your first time na no ya ye de bi koye no o ka kire parliament on sign
Because constitution so
Emma,
I make room for him.
Yes.
And
And
so
Emma,
no nya adwen.
yes. And I'm saying ni je na abaga na fun bebre say ye fa ne say oh parliament nyina obi a penisona say de awie no ba bia misuro ni
And on penny ho.
on my penny ho because na sia de a omde call ya obeka so mpre a speaker kra bufu ike kan say mbi kakra no nyina this there's an example I hu nti we betima ka say men sign me de ato me nim ni ameka isan say ontumi nye nyina boldly presidents aba from Atamils so ne ade nyina akufo mu nyina were able to tell them say no ya de empire so but on do to my abonte meka bibi
say president for o kan nyina so no omo enye omo nyina no omo ye human rights lawyers te so no
yeah
but you don't expect a human rights lawyer so be kasa say
human rights lawyer kra ba bia na chifi no okua pini po ene achimini po ufi ahimfi unim say abrabo bi wo ho a yen akamfo na nka yen ohu huhu made a say o ahimfi na o koka say obarema na obarema da ahimfi ye modimpo ye modim san say emusu kan tete na ye nanom no ye nanom nhia na wo bo ade no hu say onyankopon bo obarema ne oba wo bo obarema ne oba no so hwe bible a onyankopon kan kira Adam say we ene oyiri o sorry pos no eyi ni me dompe we ni me hona munam we ni e be fe no bia you see e hono hu ne aponche a wo lord kwan so hu say aponche oba akofo aponche oba pen wa hu say kraman ba afo kraman oba ma pen and I say omumpa they have minor senses no they are not doing that na wo nyankopon so you nipa wo ye se meso wo te se nyankopon no se me de me ye ne a nyame mpe oh ni a wo se ono nse no mfata wo nipa no hu no se we ya ade bia mempe ono eye the right na wo nipa onye ne ye se me ya abom na me obere ma so ko change wo say other things dua a yo obere ma on brofro so say abode kra yo merema ne me ya brofro obere ma oba ni on so na brofra ka say me ye be menti me mempe me kwa you see nyankopon na nyansa mu na no ma ye ba asa eno wasa kakra ne ye me den so aka sa ato say yenko ware ne yenwo say
ye ma asen no resempo anu anwea
enti ne okoda ne ho oye be ma na okoda ne ho oba no onyem ye otumi nyem ye so into the final thing when tima anya dia na kire say sinto bi wo baabi enti ase ojai this is a common state I see ehwe ne ma no ne o say oware obema no obema bi atima anyem ne oware oba no oba bi atima ne oba bi aware anyem
enti me
the fundamental grounds no say
who base argument no on what
me argument
is it on religious and I said then
when even religious no it cuts across
but say nya obia no or religious so
master we are is part of us nipa bia we ase wo ne awsom oni awsom obosom obia no se me de meti ase amete akwa
so obia oni ogidi
yen ye wa ha ne ye honhom ene den nipa honam into that two ene eye adwuma ona oka se oka bibia na oka se uso do bado ko say corruption ne we no o compare ade I say we kura na corruption kura na ke yiri ho ka but say sad we say no say wo mu kura na no kware wo ndibida huhum ade ma wo ntimi enye biribia wo kura no huhum beboa
and the corruption are rampant no because of that
the corruption must be done say that no and it must be done but we know huhum ade ntine esiwu fam ebre wase.
It is a idea why do we use physical remedy to cure a spiritual thing?
That is, you see, it's not a spiritual thing as I can know. Oh yeah, Satibiano. But see, I can say, giving birth is what? Physical. I'm giving you, remember our physical thing say, or better man will be better man beneshiao. When you're home, a common flat thing. As you wouldn't suffitan or guma is on a different color. That's a big ma. I said, Sinto.
Was any penny answer a baby as a summer bell?
And no son is on what? Me no, I want to know what I had. Oh, no, Nipa couldn't share more what I had. Try away.
I won't Quentin go for
the final thing I say. Amoda no sudum ponumu no say nsusu aso ne basa enne omo ewo saa ayi ni nyina mu no obere ma bi wo ha yare o yare no obia bi wo ha yare o yare no yare su e de bre o man no kra no it's another issue aside the problem bro man because obu okra na sisi onama oyo berema ti say na ti ebu
bo pampers
ntu abo pampers bebre oyare I say doctor esan yisika Ghana government esan yisika to heal such people on threat no it is when treat such people are no muti o mani ma den na de beba menua say ye wo o man mu na kan tete e mofra no kra say umfichiri fu a tanka se kyerɛw ade na nka se wo de umfichiri na fu na ye ofe flowers no be kyerɛw ade ese su hwehwe gu basa ese ye kyerɛw sanse ntonto beba wo be yare wo yare a aban more drugs will come you see it will affect. That is why all these things man sees abrofo no mo de ba ye ha no ade no mo de o mu say polygamy o mo mpe wo mo ho ade mo so mo de polygamy the up to now o so so eno kura na nipa ba asaba enum tumi gware onipa ba ako e mo wotena ase asomdwei e ma yare bi amem wo ma e ma bi kura bi a brilliant thing bi e ma wankwa ware second wife kura nke bi akura na wanyo bi anyina na chi da che ansie eno so wo mpe na nia ede yare dom ene amani nya beba na ndo ope you see o ma tira mo hu say sesi o mo hoi why are they we exporting a lot of people outside yede nipa kwa abrochiri bebere omo mofra na ho sesi no abrabo no omo no ama wontimi mfa bibi papa bi amre wo entete no sa na etene
o ma say
abofra 18 na chi abie ona mo pampers oni ahoden ono mo nsa clubbing onye hwe
Ebukara o say
onye adwuma
oyi tu o say I feel like shooting.
Yes na say obako oh sorry I no fa tu no o shooting the teacher so they have to go find papa kotum say ono ma abofra no tu that table so no the best school on say that no iti niam bi wo ha mofra no na yen so yen pesa na ema no omo hu say yen say dia yen panyine ne yen hihye wo yen ha no apo yen no e no pesa omo say yen na omo say yen na omo nya kwa be fa ne ema power ya e na yen so edi achi ni obroni baby ayi ni obroni baby ayi wahu iti no ese bom ni omo kan dem pai na ese bo asofu nyina malamfu nyina obi asum bia ogana bi abom pai se His Excellency Nanado ohun sa pipe ya obesan amayen baby adu ni ye den ese nipa etimi ko nkutodwa anim no abom pai
ma bibisa we se osan ana se bill na nkasa no in entirety no is it sort of a panacea to sa problem na ye hu na na
enhihye wo mu no ebetima so problem na no kakra enye total ye nipa osan na fi ama uri ya atten wo ho a wo na akwan
okay
say no flat into according to the discretion of the judge so the nipa pose mraben o ja no nko but now on mrada ho
okay
into you betima we say also if you advertise on it kura na 10 years in the act 3 ni nyina da ho it you know you want to be pa ba bi nka say ono de no ko gina ba bi no ka say o preach say o bi anya wa pe ware oberema hwinim me po oberema ware mpo oberema ware this one ka say mpo oberema kura na o oberema na pa oberema ware a mra ne ma ho kwan ntumi nka sa asem no
and that is a new microphone so raise issues wo ho say yes ye nyina ye support mra no
yeah
at least the hu di ba be shenkrofo mu but yeah support mra no so na what say we shouldn't be oblivious of the fact say yeah practice democracy and again democracy no so a secular one Ghana so say a secular country enti yeah hwe say ye de mra so ye adwuma and what say ye tie the minority no so right so
who said democracy there is no minority in democracy it's the majority that wins everywhere. Anything here to about democracy at the end.
But the fact that majority needs to be winning on the minority, no, so their needs are not to be taken off.
No. You see, democracy near yawning. Say ya kwatira say ba say until that they make sure say it's an odd number. So that two say yepe. Na me say bempa. I have some change my journey. Na me na monantel. Because then na ni omo do so say yemfa. Say you elected Nanado so my president who ye hina kura na untumi ka say one to amani nti
on your president
that is the core main core of it nti Ghana fo nyina ahia na nipa do so say ye mpesa asui ase yi to chene that is the democracy
na no nche say o say yekum omo a omo ne nya adwen no because president ye nyina na be to ama no
yes
majority ne to ma ne wi a obeye president di ama o mamu ni nyina enti meme kra na man to ama no e wo so wo pɛ me hwɛ
me nua oni nipa omo mpe na shock no kumom
Omampani wini
yes bebre film because ono no eye ne yaw like football okohwe ball na ye share wie na ni team lose. A lot of them have shocks and die. You see it is a year part of it. Enye bibia na ubenya no say nipa nyina bepe but ese ye mra na mra no e guide nipa ye wa hai bebre ho anka wo pe say yare bia wo yare nti wo yi won ho eto so enanti kurum but mra man ho kwan eso hye na atare dwiba nkofu dwum akwa ese de kuran from afa so obu okra na nani haun ese ka okra baby otene ade kane akofam ni ade ye nua no mani hu ade omo bebre o wanka ka omo nko no kra no nanka ye nyina ya yepe
obi kura se wo hyew de no
nti
onya ya kra nka obeyi na fukura to so na nko ne nam
yes sen won se net no enso uma ho kwan a na ebe si wi asen nti ese ye guide na guide nso a anytime bia there is guide no a men mesusu no ema mpuntuba wo
okay
ema mpuntuba nwura kura nwura se ye hye won a se etimi nya susanso papa because nwura na efuwa na you prune them otwitwa obo se one day obehu se na they are in a shape a obi ehu a attractive but we ja na sa bo se ebitua ha ebitua na enyefe on se that no nti say ye control
okay
and that is what
enti emra no a ye nyina ye push say ye nyintum no e den potin na e ba be ye
say ye jetum a nipa a won ahye won ho say wore ye no won so betew ebekọ fam kura enne nipa bi ma
e say projections so we are not too sure
me nua anya projection
say you too sure say so betew
say enye say eso betew a enka ne omo ya ade we nera no wonim civil societies a omo no omo ho omo afi ase kaseti adedede nipa bi kaseti omo no say bebre omo kaseti anyina no there are people a who say they were in those acts is a man to ma ba bi bebre kasa ebi omo sa ate bi ma say ho ska wo ho nti mranti bi omo nya adwuma ne omo pa adwuma aye etere bia me hwe nipa bia no me ya obeka say adwuma ni Ghana why no ho say adwuma eye adwuma den
on
bre but obetime nya sa ade yi de no akodom a ska beba ni nsem sesi anti ese akodom sa ku there are a lot of points a yehu a omo sankrofo no agitate a wonya
eno na ye counseling na beboa na say mra na beboa ama ya sesa saafo na de
obu ho a so hwento na on the sound ye ko school nyina won say mofra aba so ne ade nyina kan tete no o say mebo ebien mu ye densi awotwe o twa otu no wi a o ko school unam kwan mu na won say wan kasa ya kasa akere wo ene ye jai se be tean hey jai no ba I remember say we form 4 na ye call dance o ma hotel ena wasasante osuma obi na obehwe ye wie school nso egwa ayen
ma wie school
I tell you because secondary school ko fugu akọ dance ko enyema kono because a man
be she mu
yes so sum sector dance aba community center na man fu egu akọ en kame krase mi nko bi o se that hu bi abehye mi mu it is up to us say nipa de wouldn't titi bi betetew no mofra say for instance mofra etako girls school we say omo na they are different people bi o
yeah
and almost omo come school different adentia entetewo no and e omo yesa eti say yaje ni ede tete ye mofra because they say they see ya found the ama
enti e binom so argue say fine emra no ye gitumu ebeboa ye but already ni ye wo mra organa ha no mo a se mete compound house na me share boxes na ma share singlet ana mayi singlet no na boxes nko na share na me nenam ho no mo a Ghana mratia sa mra no kra ye mfa nya adwuma nti what difference and we no a eba na eba babeye don't you think say babeye one of the many laws we have them in the pool of yen yi keke
o say eyi ne ebe boy kese pa ne say ya mamre ni ade ni chi nti ye ni bekọ ho eyi ne de u say I say yanka saretere bia obu ohokra na okugware a kan tete na ne papa mo no compound house bo so de tower kese
no the aboni
sisi na oko ene ama I say even Eric of FM because of say you share the same or one complex rooms until puempo mo bi hu so ko bare eti eno no kra no the style is killing it. Yes, style aba is in killing the pahina
but still I go for compound house
compound house normal mo
we now are really boxes but e wo mra ni mu say o ti fie no hye boxes wo fie a e wo se ye chew
bebre nsu nim say na meka nti gina me no ba nu say kan no bi beti say e hu hia na nyaade a ye ya mra e be ma ye ho kwan ya obu akọ ehu a on report say na me no okay and because onum say e how on say that no and in Africa no so per se no te say merema ye de ade si yakokoso na yakokoso da ho no e kan yen amamre ho say even say ohene okọ nani ma say uyi uboso nti ebi hu no kakra sa wate ase eti no e say e kire say e tra wo nipadua ni ba bia na ayo how
e ye mra o
ye na make hu say eno ye boxer but obu o wa no pa wa sorry no of say now no boxer na kan tete ye na o ma shape into ye supporter no kan tete nka sa boxer ne de na football chuchu kesi no na footballers ne de no kra no ma sa aye ketwa say boxers ne de
sure
enti na ma aye sa enti no it's up to us be who the style ye be use and in education.
All right,
we have to educate people on that.
Okay, yeah, that's bebre yura ansa anoba na no CCC ya na fe ye be next topic no eso next topic no o say
answer na nke be next topic ni so we the 2 minutes back.
Okay
say honorable can say be na can feel say na sa incommodate we no ke be purely nationalistic.
Okay,
so but I say or the president be mu o ka say ye mompaye na hwa president crampo no asenti bill
we na say pai bonus hu hia o
minua
ebia na enu no be mu a
ntampa so no mischief bi kakra ya de aba ho oh minua he president answer no so be asenti sabe we minua obe take so many things into consideration.
This is all from 7 days to 14 days.
Yes, and a critical moment man papa minua only me say Ghana ye fe bibi multilateral and then bilateral relations with other countries in the world. Ghana is part of the United Nations. Now, also United Nations in no preach all the time human rights. Okay, as soon as Ghana's president has sent this bill, some human rights activists will also think and then say the rights of certain individuals in this country are being infringed upon. Meaning, it's easy. Now, abrofi Americans and Europeans, sebe o come ho no makope besia.
Na omunim na mpanimfo ni nim say ye gitu ani be do sa level we no a all these repercussions are come on some
no
omunim
enu tina nanka me pesenka honorable the best single president they say one here president on sign tie mompaye ne ade minua o ko sign we say kim one here minua one here bedu baby no okay so what say we be infringing on the right of some people almost already do ma no abatum de daada obekaya honorable Sam George on the abrofo bi nya personal banter crowd about this. The Europeans and then the Americans are not in favor of this law. It will, as soon as I'll be passing into obey assent pepe. Okay, so say no, infringing on the rights of some individuals in your country. Say obe pemwa we are not in the position to assist. In fact, any say no, na dunya san wie pe Ghana entertain bed because yes, say and so yet to me fend for ourselves. As I say, self-reliant because the
obedient obi sabio entintesu mu ya
no that oh minya and yes ana me patche
na o person kire say
oh
former president Atamos sadi nyina okayom say me pene so na kombedi me akom ne me
oh yeah
you see these are the facts say onipa bia da bia am ka kire emranti abase mi nsuro say ade we anim ne bekum ye na yenyina pintin na yenya adepa na nkudim di beba
the problem nyina say honorable person or portray say na do de onye na
say asema wakan declare it.
No.
You have backed my argument.
They all can see
back me argument.
unless so any other explanation
the American say Nanado ebehwe the pros and cons of the whole matter.
Yes, sir. Parliament has done that.
Parliament, when say Parliament, are independent of the executive.
Oh, you see, look,
It is
parliamentarians
the prerogative powers. So
majority. Look at their number. Minority. When you are the say, man, maybe a 50, 10, 25, a total unanimity decision. So be a president. Now, president can say, nipa.
But
we say on also argument or they ban say. And only a legislature.
Yes.
Into a moment
executive no real
represent the executive.
It's right. Soka. But as a leader, na say besiabo and I say anything must for example bilateral relations bilateral relations somebody my besiabo is am near maybe the boy. Why don't we sit down as Ghanaians? Yen trans Ghana for. Near your kwanga ever so yan so ko bobi siam won bi. Near mom de my no ye be trans yen sanka. Na be ma mo trans no. Na brofo ma Ghana no. Na so what ase. Near me wo nchen no wo de ye biribi e mo what ase. Adenti da na ye ntimi fa near ma na ye biribi. Na Chinese ni atimi aba. Wa aba Ghana o. Abehwe se ye wo fufu ni wo ma. Wakoye machine abre yen. Ni atu ye fufu ni waduru na wo ma ni waduru na to ase.
Say ye mfa waduru ni ayi fufu bi.
O se ne ete no. Eti ni o kan de e no kware se abrofo be boa ye ho be se ye ho be kire. But ye hwehwe ye ho kire mu no. Ni ye bibi e ma ye ho.
Okay. Me da se pa. All right, inti abusuafo ye to aso wa ha na fe yakoye next topic no. Eno ne ye aftermath of a year Nana Dankwa Kufuado ne pen ultimate sona a ko presenting na no na one ni egusu edi ho komo na endre ya LGBT hwan ababe yi sa nkomo ne de free ho no but ye besa ko back na ye di ho enkomo kakra we de mesha ase de free ra no ban ho no mo
yeah
omampani ne sona present and me gidi se o monitor ye ye put in some kind no into about 7 points.
Right.
Baby a offer or money free ye. Baby or dear mu ade dru. And one will come one seminar.
Minia baby offer money fee. Ebis baby I will do no. Or can one sem but one cannot senior net.
That is saying.
Net say okay senior edu baby na ochre se baby a odi o money fee na in case of to me baby or starting okay this time they also compare 22 2023 no
yes
I found call the beginning of the 2017 a lot
so okọ na nimu nti no
eti oja sa 2017 mark na obeto ye no na starting on no aka say waye ni yie no wa fa mabi because ohun so there nobody a na dey cry afi there ibi hu say apro cry more yes, because for instance, say inflation and no by 2016 or say enya cry 17.5. Enya cry no. What to be call 54. And at 54 no, you draw it down.
You see about 23.5.
As of December, na 23.2. As I kosro, I got 23.5 now. Yeah, can say.
So more target here single digit.
Yes. It you share send ya odi adini fee. Now the call soro no asan aba form. Now, if you can compare 2016 with 17.5, but on TV call, what was I patch? It's next, I say, who buy and went to man in a year. In just so, who Bob Beer, a honor for say, O Medana, O Bonan and say, IMF, Abisum, no more restrictivity near my year, Cacrano, and I become one. Also, I'm patching. But the time that IMF, or not say any. Na ye fimo but they will say ye fimo urade da was say ya ho kire nyina beko na fa da sign e call rough no now the IMF is in me ba na moka asem bi say we are not paying our debt
yes
master
international debt
now for say
ye by free 2025 for call no ye be sha say
but what for say minia after all this head cut ni ade a ye papa mo ne ye nananom ye nuanom bi ewu ni ade nyina won say ntua ka no. Well, these are the things. Or say, hey, no credit yes yeka. I could create a retirement. When you sika, the man was make investment. no investment yes investment no yeah farm obium
because you need normal times.
No what hold me investment interest na dey ba ho nyina no on farm me no so on farm kotuaka no on farm tuaka na un say kana ada so da ho man it is haircut or year nyina what is the importance of it with this year on what say or the good for oil na dey nyina so policies nyina still out to be tuaka.
Oh, I'll say or can say in a single day Omutuya 5.8 billion Ghana cedis in the Mancro bondholders.
Bondholders one what you are more principal now. If you have started paying interest, principal matter maybe 10 million a brew and 10,000 a brew. Says can say until 10 years now 10,000 a brew.
No, we shall see it.
We said it man. Now me here scano ankasa put in the atossement be a e see me die na 10 years no for 10,000 between interest be me see me die.
Said that the nyina nte sa. It is an abandon say so say e
be business. What is sembra so the san o the tour so that o the no be adwuma baby. Na the adwuma fa so be ba so no the tuaka no. E ka no so ntua. In this scanner o the tour na the ede. Masa te see o the ka. You tuaka bosom wa adwuma mu ha. O the ka. E na wo see o. Ka you tua me no. E san say mo bibi ye nti no. Sika no mindi.
Menye.
Mo fa ento. Ya de ma wa o see o boss say waji loan yansa waji loan
e ha
and o say loan na waji no o see boss say me ho kire me nti no loan na maji no me pese me yade bi nti no ma me be bosomi nwotwe na ma bosomi nwotwe na chi a metua na ma fi ase atua and our boss say o diskani nyina ma until loan no won so ade say o diskani kwa onye nti say na e de nti na yes amra no o be sere o boss so mo na this can also the ade foforo
sika nti bota nti am kokoji sika ma amfa ankoye no.
Yes.
Me dia koye bibi foforo na ka ne san da ho.
Yes. What say that no? And the can so nya say car e free you.
E car e da ho nyina so na ewo.
Yeah, interest rate so enye CD denominated loan. I can say okoje dollars na dia be CD. It's still in a dollar. And interest rate no so I also can say wa boa na eye ya say kura akọ 13 no. Wa boa no 13. 13 no enya de agina ho wan kasa ukoji sa loan so loan no in finance no, it's not a hedged loan loan
yeah
e be ka say wa hedge nti no e be gina be agina and so you see the ne yemere no
no so yemere no so
ko nso awuntua nti Ghana o de ye kwahin if I de ye kwasi when nyina no keka nti na wo say projects on ankasa aye no kra no. Now, no, with this a year on 2 years, our plan say when 2 the say 110 hospitals and other things in they are not moving on. Shella, what sell la
general hospital.
What say any year no? What catch up say? Who be 2028? 28 months. I think be hospital now. 28 months from now, the whole of la. E kama dada no. Am komu no kura nsi wo. Asase kese da chire. Anka sifu frosene a. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Ridge Hospital no. Ridge Owambubu Ridge o. Usi new one no. Omu wie no eno mu fi mu ba. Sane ye no. Usu ye bie. Akobubu no. La hospital na nkofo ko pa.
Say bia na onipa na no mo musika na da won.
Odada o say. We master in governance. Skabeto answer na o project no why no you na say scanning so why should you implement that project?
But say and want to say my rules if you say in governance said your kind of projections and so is allowed. Budget to reading na say any projections.
Yes.
Into no to me obi to me share the one we gina so. Because we say we den on mind there you ba the mortgage kra no omo wo ho.
Masa
to be to me gina no so dia.
There's a projection and work here. Na say your finance minister and those who are managing the finance are not doing the right thing. It should be about 70%. Not less than 70%. Who project say less than 70%. Na say you ready. There are laws in Ghana. Bank of Ghana one there 690 Act 690 near there you act ni na. Enti ofo say wadwuma we na say wo target our boss the amount. Want to be and do be 80% 90 for 2-3 years. Boss work say to us. Oh, this is never been a government in the na. So who actually I say media nti me wo party ni nti I feel okay. Me say me supporting. No. say nyina bom ne ma man yo no e ye fe na ye de oh because oba say obi ye no na ono no ni figures ni good no wo say enye oba ni ye then later ne ma akochew. Look at our stadiums. We can't even renovate them. Deterioration very high. What's it? Oh, the stadiums started deteriorating from 2020. You can know. There's always Cape Coast because they are around the sea. Anka.
In the breeze,
you know. No. Additions were here. Kofodia, yeah, that's it. Why baby or Kofodia is so might be what. But old ones, not to say. Our planning should be very, very comprehensive. Say, me what downway now. Ukusi for front, where downway maintenance. You still have one thing. What are for front? That now we shall see. Only at a minute, what are they back? What's that? Eti, I do okay, kind of idea. On one case of transnational radio, boom say. Any MP for you say.
I had the true state no present.
Say no. I had the true state. Because never be touchima. Say jobs, 170,000 jobs. Now see, I must see 2 million jobs.
I said that I don't know a specific. I don't know was about one district, one factory.
One district, one factory. Or that I need now.
I don't know. One district, one factory. Just will be a bit.
Oh, master. I say one district, one factory. All district. You know, dear master. One can't exceptional. It's your that district factory. Man, buy. I'm say.
I'm one for Bebo.
I'm one for Becca district factory. Buy.
I mean, we timekeeper. I feel all her time.
That's why
it's you know we are pleading. Say
okay.
We have to understand. Say SHS or Kasa. This year SHS. And you're free again. Look at the prospectus. Headmasters and education minister could share on the buy. Is it free? Or yeah, or go school? Uncle say you free Anna. Oh yeah, child secondary school. Uncle say free Anna. It's not free 1 second.
Okay. In conclusion, the true state, you know, and you know, man, penny president. Yati. Mame ko Charles ho no.
Na obi ko todo kon ase money me.
Battery so battery.
O said the proposal.
Wakasa be say 15 minutes. Mesrel. Padaroma. Atomela ma me so me gasa. Eh. Ya. He enimre on. Ona ba ma me ho adwiri me. De o kasa. Itu kata wani kekansem say. Ona bonti free SHS enye free. You ma oye bacho. Minya o kan se me chade o SHS eye no kre. Eti me pese etiefo nim se free SHS na ye free. Na me sisu bio. Na sebe NDC for de obi kura se anase nkwala na ko school a o ma no moto mo provision. O moto mo milo, o moto mo sugar.
Send dey awofo ase de.
Mo o mo senka kanana do nya sa ne ma ni nyina ma nkwala no se akwala na to ne chop box na akwala na to ne sum yo se ne bashit ni ade ani nyina enu kire se enye free. Minua akwala wo secondary school obe school a yama na uniforms mienu free. Yama na outing dress mienu free. Yama na Sunday wear traditional wear ntoma omo de check kwa sorry Sunday
uniform no the last time I check here now emma o you see aba
minua obi obeka cho secondary school bi wo Ghana ha nkwala ni
the last time I check here now emma into aba na because check na me hu se na nkrofo hye
check bi abehu se shakola bia oye form 1 ni afi na waba yama na to ni check ahye all transfer uniform beba eba ya na
e ni say no answer ma bibisa na
be emma minua da bi o ka se emma it appears say emmeti no awofo na to uniform show mama no anya no kre
anya sa na me make kan o ni bisa say the last time I check here no na emma aba
da o ka se emma minua etiase ne say ade a emma no na esa awofo na to emma mama no sa na apese o chiro sa de che
nti si aba
me no ka say I'm very optimistic say enkwala we form one for bebe fie eye next week no na mo uniform no mo sakansa no ma be fie om check ne de ba form 2 and 3 ne de minua we min draw an
say me bisa say question
obi obeka say free SHS we enye free ne de kane no na 3 months bia nkwala 2 school fees no ebisa am say ohobi wa na omo bewie SS3 omo tua registration fee e wo hobie ma na
exams fee
sa na ma nyina e wo hobie ma na ya pamo akola bi school fees ana menua ade anana do aye no unim say ebi nsi da ya bakwasa mu. In fact in Nkrumah time Ghana's population was less than 5 million when to me and my fresh HS nationwide though na 3 northern regions pay na do by now our population is over 32 million now. According to statistics, ne figures are on na do in 7 years, I echo 8 years no. Kwala mako 5.7 million and I enjoy free SHS. A very remarkable. A commendable. Can be decent honorable. SS has some way cramping or bona nado abaso fi say. Minim say free SHS man na ye won kwala omo dan. Mutu ban ho mo beji school fees. And the sika ni nyina otumi de to cement de sini dan. Okay. So betumi aka say ntisa. Menua, yen hwe na the state of the nation's addresser o maaye no. In fact, onu ankasa jitu mu say enema bi anko ye obaabi. Baabi a anko ye ne yemfa sobo onye den emo no. Menua wankasa.
Okay.
Ne ekọ ye no so yemfa credit nye den ema no. Yen hwe education apart from say otua kwala ni school fees. Ankwala ni ntua school fees no. Secondary school bia o Ghana ha no bia na any school bus. Wama obia school bus emo no enye dada o tear rubber. Wa wani tua e bi twam wa no blue one no. Ebi so ye white. Enne sebe akokwa so secondary school kra pa bus e dia mo no about 66 seater bus. Emo no chia. Secondary school bia o Ghana bia nya bi. Apart from that, we talk Toyota Hilux pickup. At the Ama school no for administrative purposes. Minua, you ambulances dodoa na na do toye. State of the nation I make sure no or me yet be a woman I made a make sure no. The woman say ahocho obi obeka cho say Ghana ahoche ne bia no nipa kro no say be on kind of me tade. Me so de ekoso o ma bia be de me wom. Nanso no yanhwe ene papa na den aye na ya appreciate so. Oba ye ne wom say yakwa ahoche na ahoche na yakomu no. Minua COVID and Ukraine Russia war contributing factor. Asama making neti ameka say minority there so went sa na nya Ghana nkoana COVID no esi ye enye Ghana na Ukraine Russia war na ekoso. Onabo okuja to ablakwa. Ono akasa me wo ni video o kan say on the company bi san agreement akọ mo be bia adwuma bi wo eye the constituency Northton but enam say COVID no eba enti no besina the company no eno mo atwentwen so kakra omo antumi anye den ama we kire say COVID enya effect ewo Ghana so but when the minority be deny ewo public but inwardly they know say COVID enya nsusuaso minua hwe UK the mighty United Kingdom COVID nachi na ho kire ba hono mo nema omo change prime ministers in prince onabo ya dance ni minim say wunim they are making it is a COVID any Russian Ukraine war a problem a wiase nyina affect obi a supply chain production chain ni bibia affect obi a it no say onabo beka so na niema ewom say niema mo ayede de minwa hwe apart from education yahwe health and see that say president bi betumi aba na 7 years a wedi no obetuma bo de chimpo se osi 111 hospitals se me no ka say sa hospitals ne bi won ma yawie wo hwe ye patam wa no ma asane across man so obo de na otra asubu akakra
e
wo ni fa so agye ho no aba bi adu no ye betuma ka say edi about 50% nationwide your health sector your sports stadium hodro president esi yan share renovation so na honorable ka em say honorable we dey metumi mesre na onye privy to nia ekoso o memu aba we ba no we renovate Accra Sports Stadium and then Kumasi Sports Stadium.
But only the current state.
Minua.
Maybe sa question you. So we
yes.
At the saying
edifice no good but pitch no na recently Christmas mama the man musicians ekoye show on
to you say no correct
minua
Accra Sports Stadium no some you two na kire osie call Accra Sports Stadium na ko help washroom
minua ya renovation no About we ba we renovate 2 stadium ya making.
And I make a channel say we renovate a mini problem bi about CCA ko Accra Sports Stadium
washroom kwa na ode ya asamaka so washroom dey
na renovation na renovate him fa
the entire stadium so ebia
washroom nka ho
washroom e kan but and say washroom dey near ebia cleaner and asebe onye na adwuma yi a minua eno kra na make a chro no I say yenhwe infrastructure
okay
aban we aye lord kwan sin aban bia efri minua yankasa yentena ha ya ye nyina ye tu kwan wo de yem patam ha ebri bi atwam na onabo okọ adwuma wa kyen ase say sa kyen na atim so adumu baako me as not to be corrected na ofi odan efa atim so adu awisa kodu akyen ase na etumi etake more than 1 hour ekwan we me sa bre na mchichi wa keys and ekwan we wo the 5 minutes ebetumi atwa akodu akis school yenhwe oda abenase ayerebi ofuase
oda kwanta
bo ene ekwan na say yenhwe across to asaman ene what the 10 minutes betumi atwa sa kwan no eastern region akwan bebre
ada abrem kosi nkokọ
eda so
say ho de na nya asem ketwa
ho ene onam so a it said na aspas pepepe itimi nua aba we aye infrastructure bebre and interchanges new 6 new interchanges na aba we aye ukọ Accra ewo ho ukọ Tamale Takrade eti minua hwe president state of the nation's address already no wabọ ne ho modern ama chese daachi bi na yebeka na nado say papa yi wonim say on record ansa na nanado be di president na Ghana nyina ye astrotest parka yes astrotest ne de aye ne ye wotre e boso bo na ba ko o tanzongo na emiensa pe Ghana nyina ene we boast of over 150 nationwide 150 the nanado aye stadium akoma 6 a monochia no de wo sie ne ko yekofo dua de ne se de ete sports complex eti nanado adwuma nanado aye no daachi na inflation asema na okay minua nanado first term if 2017 January ekosi 2020 nanado's record was impeccable na ne bibia de dada kwem until say covid buy the covid na abese ni amanyina na in fact nyame na ya adom se nanado no bedi president sa time no timi handle niema in fact say ke NDC a hwe cholera to me ku nipa over 300 e wa kra nko a de o mahama tai minua education there was a time as a teacher me trying to teacher ni bi tie me ampa che won frɛ na on ka se asema making me bo ana chalk na ye de chalk ramp it was a problem it ye chalk box to about esi table so e was that common room o kwa no 2 sticks now they call class teachers are ye fee university by 2012 e ba ye me ekodu 2014 ansana me je marius e upgrading arrears ye ma me 3 months per the 3 months arrears pay policy mean honorable enka say asma make me boa
it is no maka ho asem ase
24 months o twa ni nyina gu o tia me 3 months wanfo bia nwurawuram na document one me support the first say me wie school say ni say said my arrears mama yeah or share that deliberately it was a plan and then the running mate or be one another that time no your education minister and no mutena say plan is such a policy say found boso me dodo an mfie dodo wa adwuma ye ma 3 months minua ti wo hwe woodi a for in fact enne ifa nanado de nanado pa de adwuma papa wo yaye no
okay
adwuma papa wo yaye no patcho me time nso wadaro
oh time aso
oh man 15 minutes
akasa bebre o
patcho me de nu baby ya
47
ono na questions ne doso ba wo obi amisa questions
48 na that's
obi bisa ono question
so ono no questions ana me bisa ne doso wo de no so sa
anti bisa me say me
about 15
oh me no 50 oh me nya o ni nyina o say time no
31
ni nyina
48
enti me da se ma ya fa microphone so adwen chere nto aso kakra
kan pese me
Misro, and the meme time now, so man the Casa.
Okay, and memo kasa but my fan crofo adwen check akran so to aso na fe me sam ram ho me da se. We see a friend of Alex Jan. Alex Jan said you are doing a great job, say Charles or Bo Abasupa or say why are there or communication in any agent home. Blair San 2 p.m. Asante Mampon or say or enjoy show no papa free a year Asante Mampon and or the NDC who say ye and or the about had moment says Joanna Apia Jomo also a former deputy Ashanti regional minister or Chiano Enyumri Brako Alexander K Brako no say good evening in kind bowling issue no or enjoy show no papa na live from Aboabo Peace Town and we butu chere say Dr. Bawumia NMPP there said ye TB umbi breaki 8 or Chiam penimfui onimonyamfo kwadwo opon kroma Dr. Bawumia Owura Kwame Aboaje na mpenimfo ahodo e ka ho o say NDC ne kanema mpanim John Dramani Mahama de omu ni hwe de magana fo bium brako ne de ode bae no apia Samuel ono say good evening o chia ye nyina o say honorable Samuel Brako ono na oba beji achiase constituency no e de afiri nkwasom mu o so nyankopon nhira ye nyina wolanyo e de firi akwatia no so de aba no che se Ghana for o say then Ghanaians know what comes into one more adwene mu so mo hunu dum so a onipa o mo kai no ye ba kope Yera John Dramani Mahama nya de e besan akose obi a ono ye ware na wabubu yakoma no ye san kofa na ba biom debi nti I say the minority should not chant as if say or mine no de sumu ye na sumu sa ne de odi e ba no wola nyo notifafa e di fira kwatia e no de aba Joyce anim susu butu US e no no so se o ma nyina adwo enwumre BB Kasoa enso se ye tai friend opemu aka Hawanie or say whenever Dr. Bawumia kasa no eya na de ayi ahopopo de atie NDC for so Dr. Bawumia bia no kasa bia no a na omo ho yira wo mo say it is possible BB dia wo de eba no nti empenifo memra na nia wo pesa wo kan ntana menkon ahoma ne so
Virtually, I'm better mechanic say, I am not COVID. You see, COVID I buy a whole chilling in a calculate here. What you more than my in a calculate here. Sika bag and yina be be yina no went to be quite accounted for. Yanko for the Ghana for credit chair. More Kennedy a Japan crying more the chair comment to my accounted for. Muti committee, a special committee to take all those things. Went back county for. Next year, I signed the insure now. Most of the American you to your tax up to today. Light to the year free no, you to your tax up to today. So says Kana motion here now. Also was I when young come back no. Why is it, Master? I say Ghana for your kind of crew.
okay
Now toss me no or say hospitals. Hospital ben 101 ben what me back okra. I had ye a chance why. They are still on construction.
but at least
Yeah,
so they have something to show.
Bra, you 8 years no. Hospitals are yeah, no. At least not be BIA no. You nyakura ni obey half or 2 ah. Yet my abo say yeah juma.
Okay.
And the power mo.
Alright. Mate me da se ma menkwa homa no so ne emfa omanfo nso so de emfa meka ho me pa cho 0201944485 0554820910 udin we bi akase free.
Yeah, medingi ukuba kwa meju.
Chairman Pacho kase free here.
Kase fi abo.
Mpacho yentio.
Ewo mu se nyeman bi wo ha ye man pani wantumi emiti anye bo she degree. But when it comes to education, you nyina ye was system. Wala ta mo ana you tue fees no. Na wo fo etobus omo tantabi. Inti so bi boa na wo so owo fo se wasede so owo fo. Na wo to school check ma wo ba. Na ebi a ye makwan poni de man free na odin school antade be fia boni wo mu ni. Me a make as a true. Eja said that time and we JHS and then coming near free even a month and not a term. Say because my man not on clean that and yes can be family coordination and eja could be any petrol. When it comes to free education, no more young is a balance free in free. But at the time I want your fees now bound and dear man. I know my young friend. A piano was a piano brother, a bani bon home. Near my being there are policies are all there and what there are policies and good business people, but no na any money be here yeah come once money comes to us I just me drive a quite minimum to quite kakaka o share a do of a fain a drew via length or massive but then come on buy and so yeah and no father so I'm met twice I know you but papa me born home and see it to me when it comes to roots my son will buy no so yeah and take father so but was it come on a quite good father you do before now no communication skills and other communicators maybe are no good oh kasam vacuum in time and
okay yate yeda same obi so emetwa so ebi 0201 9448485 and 0554 820910 pacho odini baby also kase free
oboba we asanifo nyina anim ba ko pe atema sene
me pacho yenti o
mini awedi de kan me fa abasbodi ai mu duma honorable asane atim asane awusa east asame maya new one waba honorable yusuf aboduma you say me pass em ho nyina obi anya light o mudem animre na me mo honorable awusa west nso oga ono nso no waya de waboa na nti mu de nso ma enkomo no nyamfo George Kwame Abuaje yake oluwa ene onu nyamfo Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia doctor incoming president Ghana na kan se bu MPP communicator no mammo na baso waya de mati no waya de pa watire tire no mem fiko ami shira no na ye ka ayo ndisi fo ne ntino mabiase show yale abba atia etite se ewo the whole world na omampani timi eka se yo obo ho ban se yale no oja no kunkum yen ana se ye ontimi emfa ho me san hye mu nyane nipa awu na economy ne de crash won nyansa obetinya san afa so e de ahyehyɛ na nyame aboabo e ho ban na all my say America he nipa wu wo hodom na nyame boa ye Ghana osuso mu obi sɛ bi firim de nyame fo am kransie yi enso no sɛ na osibɔ e ho ban no nipa firim no sɛ bi o ye tiasi ye hodom a moja hodom betia adwuma na nyame adom wo hyehyɛ economy ne baka Kenyanum NDC for Palma desperate or power hunting. Just said you are banning your Biamu. By a 2 of MPP are buying the cafe. The MPP are buying a Soyani. It's about to
okay.
Winning Yaminajuma.
Nyame enka won so ehome pa cho nso betumi edo de aba na Daniel Adams say enka nkyere amoafo se okọ Accra Sports Stadium achepa so okọ ha che na ene se wakọ ho no mo anka obehunu se ne ekoso ho no nya papa nti wodi omblemu kra free SHS no say major challenges ni be overcrowding, double tracking, food shortage or say still mampani kasa wanka ho asem e pa chodi ni be akase free hey chema yete won ka che apia CPP
MPP for another energy for TV before womb and our more so only party the animal almost share the position no matter about almost all my mom and a dog party the other one more 50% and may come on what you say almost Ghana for that for Munkada Party President Kufuor Nisonano, Oka Assembly for Education, President a good partner to buy you. Or that is a volcano. And you are not the buyer. I didn't want to hear what I say. At a message, you will see who died. Day school, at a message, who died. Woman, and will see who died. Nipa will charge school fees in Mahama, 3rd August 2016. And now, school fees in them. I could want to buy our castle over free school. You will almost say school fees been over the cable. I deal the car wire, feeding fee, and as a boarding fee. And he may come Matthias here, say, I could want to present excellency, or buy no. School damn bang, and what me a completely. Before now, I'm war studio, no, or make me a body. If you say, a shit of a war, I didn't more, as I say, yes, you know, or Bonnie Plania, or planning with the least effect. The worst scenario, not the planet. Yeah, before the year, or Plania, the Noir, a big word formula, no, and will use it. Mumma,
Okay.
Yeah, one for no, a chill war, think about many. Yes, you can't know. Now, young Punto, I was a any school. If you say, never get to Baumia or the economy, Obusa, Mitata, 109 questions. Once they do tell me, which are the question, or no, ICT. You without there, Anka A. Bamiamba, Anka Android phone, get mana.
All right. Yate. Yes, yeah, that's it. Ma obi nso entoa so ebi nkrofo gyina pro na chi pa ye bre no so ekwa wo se ehwe ne sorry so sisi a me pa cho udin no bia nso kasa free
Bo good evening ke
brako bibia bokọ de
o nyame adom na se won so
nyame adom o yentie we
se me opialo se o
mi amitimi hu bibia Jami shiraw
bon pa mamu so anyway me fa akonya iso and share na na do danko kufuado ana communication director MPP no wono akasa yipa ichia basaba umia oluwa ana kojo ponk no na we ma MC yo obo na kama sense akrano na do danko kufuado free education ni say na no for no na but SQ room kufuado do buy this year population is 30.1 million she ononkwa the whole nationwide or say at the internet, you know, tax, you should talk a credit. Yeah, former President Mahama, no school fees, but free education no could be to free education product. And so, you be money than afford the tax in the or the also be victim, or be victim. It's the free education idea, a cost minimum. I did the whole year now for 9 said the credit at the support Abia. Now, but I will be now I could know SS2. I watch him and the school. Also no stubborn. Me na be for you in the school. We didn't call him in the call. Store shop or the corner storekeeper no. Actually no queen. E go bebre. E ti form of na band there for there. After the be na one form there. It was a over form to. No be any uniform. Enti any me am preku for no idea. O man the whole nation wide. Britain Ghana, you know, finance minister. Okoye, Mr. Did choose on or resign. I'm not finance minister, prime minister, Master Sammy Bray. It's a mind to be more as a name more for the opponent. No, share education. The whole year, sports stadium, OCC, assistant, a year could see a core, stadium away for food. I'm not a it's no best Ghana for say, young poor, not about me and my day. No, offering corporation, and it's for the and I'm going to be CPR.
Yate, yeah, that's Sibibre. Okay. My memory fi ha mumuna fi yempra prechi ni enko. Branding tea. I'm raha. We are for so a room. Me pacho din baby akase free. Pacho intio.
Kaka mo kan say. MPP, NDC. Omo nya de papa bi amfa my Ghana. MPP, NDC. Kasa omo to omo kasa de nyina no. Omo nya de papa bi amfa my Ghana. MPP sorry, na ya kwan, ya ko over 10,000 kilometers. Na den. Me ba at chance 34 years in from Atrade to Fusu Johnson, President we hit Fusu Kumasi New Road. Peter, who said the great about Atokana Sota? So there be a Muslim campaign, Muslim campaign, Muslim Kaya, and Kram Kumokai, Kumasi Kumokai, Kamali Kumokai, and Nonkanamaya. Now, do I send them and then the money? I'm thinking the woman got a puppet beer from my Ghana.
Okay, Yati da Sibebre. Na Obi for so the Fahad when Pacho Dimi Bakasefi. Hello. Oh, Dabi. Enye. Inti Fred baby omu nyina Fred fa no. Why, Mr. Empedifo me mra na yempra prechi. Nyankopon ya do me beto aso echi. Baby every day mumu bia. Right. Say wo kan enko fa se mumu.
Na
you say o person NDC ni yenhwe.
Me ba kun kase.
Every day kokoro so dey kan set time na so. Minua the person chance. Wo dey ushia NDC ni bia. Ka tell so. Omo 24-hour economy no. O nchire mu nchire. Ne bo befu sesi a. Ono beku.
Nti so person show mabufu a ushia na.
O dey person share NDC ni abufu a. Bisanse na 24-hour economy na GM kan no. O person chire say. The bube fusisi or no.
Na de nti no so share that question obi.
Na say policy na na do ka so be
we should be in contest. We should be in contest because that one was not part of our contest that we discussed.
You other matters. So
okay.
Also my main kasa.
Mate.
O dem ma na about 2 minutes on check 24-hour economy.
Oh there be 2 minutes time we twem krada.
24
waka say we am make
economy is out of contest. Next time friend here
Mate.
Right. And I me person me say who say obi extra senior na sinto free HS. You say it's clear. I don't know what say teacher ni. Or what keys in bisan say when progressive free HS no also. You see Muhammad Timide mattress e ba kisa o kwa na mfa mattress en kwa. They gave them and
there be atefa say and atefa bisa say form one for about on the mattress ba. Government
approve mattresses obi anya bi na nya say Macintosh na de beko nkonyo de baaye no wa kiss na meka sa no na me ba ho ntira meka sa nkonyo de back kiss egu dining hall ma yemma
obi ade bi aba
red bi egu
na de bi aba
because no infrastructure dining hall pull gu ho e ma won that time so that they can have it done when na meka say say mo frɛ wo ho no what if free HS say na was starting no besides say no ye na
okay
you see the standard is deteriorating me okay free me call free secondary school because my papa is cocoa farmer then and I enjoy
scholarship
from Ghana cocoa marketing and akuafo ne ehiafo ne tikafo nyina epe me nuanom a ado cocoa what incentive is Ghana cocoa board giving to them nothing but me enjoy me sister say obi enjoy because of the cocoa passbook anything like I say, they should sit down and look at the thing where most say Kasado. Yeah, Obi Anka say free HSS in you.
Okay.
But they say wow, yeah, akwa accommodate no. 3 square meters or mom 2. Ebi need breakfast. I'm catch out. Dash. No, as well.
Enya no kre. Asema on abo kan enya no kre. Say inte akwa ndi di once e wo school.
Obu wa.
Okay. Enti sa.
Yeah, na say.
On abo enti sa.
Oh, I didn't quite scan on the market already and they will just sack the children home. They did it. Ni na wo school. What kind of kre?
Oh.
Yeah, da mu nyina ma say, yeah, the dwumadi ni nso
di say. First nkosu na akokɔ back nyina we mfa. Away. Nkosu akokɔ back milk nyina ne. Mama.
Ayi bo so na yenko.
Na COVID ati ya nkosu ya.
Okay. Eti ya da si bebre. Ya de na de no di si ha. Nyankopon ya dom ana wo twe se ne. Ye be san hia biem. Aseda be kɔ de ama yira odi ahenkan kwame ye boa. Adwempa hene Kofi Mensan. Kwadwo bafo. Billy Man. Sanso so na yira ansa anoba. Oye constituency secretary NDC Achimoda. Sanso so na yenua bema. Charles Samuel or a communication team member at Chimodan NPP. I'm gonna be kind of ye day and next summono ebreo or frame or bo ba ofori amanfo ɛnɛ nso yɛda ase papaapa ɛti yɛde bɛsi a nyankopɔn yɛ adom a wɔkyena yɛbɛsan bɛtoɔ som kɛseɛ no so wɔ maakye ɛso na wɔtwe sɛ ne yɛbɛsan hyia ɛwɔ ɛyɛ boiling issues ɛso na sɛne de bia yɛsɔɔso a yɛka no the Lord bless you.